Today I'm going to share with you a software called Kidspiration that is used with students who have difficulty with writing tasks and getting actually words on paper. What you see in front of you is the screen where you can download a 30-day trial, and I've already done that on my desktop. And so I'm going to open up that 30-day trial. And I'm going to talk to you about several of the different features that Kidspiration offers. It offers actually graphic organizers that are picture view. It offers a writing view and a math view. It offers over 150 different standards-based activities in reading and writing, math, science, and social studies. But today I'm just going to be showing you one of the features of the software, and that is just the picture view in utilizing graphic organizers for students who have difficulty really mapping out concepts and getting those words on paper. So it always starts with the main idea, and so today I'm just going to do an example for you, and we're going to call this All About Me. And from here I then can extend to start to think about, what do I want to talk about? And I want to add a bubble where I'm going to talk about school. And then I also want to add a bubble where I'm going to talk about home. Oops, wrong place. From here then I'm going to determine what I want to talk about under each of these. And so under home I want to talk about that I have a brother and a sister, so I'm just going to use one of the offered picture symbols that they have. They have over 3,000 picture symbols, and you actually have a find. So I'm going to go ahead, and for school I want to find a book, because I want to talk about that reading is one of my favorite subjects. Try that again. Here we go. And then I want to make a connection between these. So I'm going to make my links from home. I have a brother and a sister, and then school, my favorite subject, is reading. It also offers you the ability to make your own symbols if you wanted to make those, or if you could download a symbol and then customize. So if I wanted to download my sister, I could then customize and make certain features or change certain features. The other thing that it does is it offers you at any time you can erase or you can undo. But the best feature is once students start to map out their concepts, it then will convert it to written format. So then they can start to write about, for instance, if I wanted to write about school and add on to this, I could put my favorite subject is reading. Within the program, then it also offers a word guide, so I can look up any word. It acts as just a thesaurus does when you're working in Word. And so once I get my written format, and let's say I forgot something and I wanted to add something else, I could also offer another bubble, so I can extend out to say school. Here I want to talk about maybe my hobbies or some other kinds of concept. So it is expandable once a student starts to then create those thoughts and make those cause and effect relationships and those connections. The other thing that it does in terms of saving is you can export at any time, and that can be into plain text, Microsoft Word, or HTML. And then it also, you can publish, and if I wanted to publish this, you'll see that it actually will then convert into an Office, Microsoft Word Office format. So we're going to let that convert to show you how that has a conversion. And then students can actually manipulate once their draft gets pulled up. So it's a great tool to get students started in terms of just being able to get concepts on paper and then be able to write about those.